Hi everyone, I'm Eileen coming to you live here from Gilbert, Arizona. I want to talk with you today about true science. So what I want you to know about true science and our skincare system is how it came to be, because I think that's really important. One thing I like about LifeVantage is that the products that they bring to market are really for your best quality of life. They're not looking at how can I find a niche. These weren't people who wanted to just make a boatload of money. They were people who wanted to change the world with great products. So let's skip back to Protandim. In 2002, the company started with Protandim, Nerve2, the pill that we were taking. And what happened in 2005 was ABC Primetime came out and wanted to see if that Protandim was real. The cool thing that happened from that ABC Primetime is research companies from around the world wanted Protandim as they were studying oxidative stress in conjunction with skin cancer, heart disease, muscular dystrophy, multiple sclerosis, extending life, and many more. And the cool thing in 2019, all those studies are in and they're positive. But let's focus on the skin cancer one. So Louisiana State University, they wanted to see how Protandim would do on skin cancer. So here is PubMed.gov. Now, PubMed.gov is a government website your tax dollars pay for. Whenever anyone does any research, they have to submit it to 3 scientists without their names on it to see if it's real. If those 3 scientists decide that it's real, valid information, the government posts it on this website. It's where doctors go. This website is only for peer-reviewed studies. So the study came back from Louisiana State University and said this: Protandim, a combination of 5 well-studied medicinal plants, was given as via dietary administration and significantly decreased tumor incidence and multiplicity 33 and 57% respectively. So what does that mean? That means that they took Protandim and they found that Protandim actually reduced skin cancer. They came back to LifeVantage and they said, look at our study results, you need to put this into a topical. And so they took Protandim and they put it into a topical. Because what we know is that our skin absorbs everything around us in 26 seconds. Our skin is our largest organ. We really want to be careful, and anything we put on our skin goes into our bloodstream. So we really want to be aware what we're putting on our skin. This is what the skincare looks like. I'm going to briefly tell you what we have now, because now it's years later and they've made a 4-step system. So we have a facial cleanser. This I use in the shower, and other women who wash their face at night, they use it at the counter also. It's pH balanced, so every skin type can use it. This is the lotion. It is extremely liquidy. If you only use it on your face, it's going to last about 6 to 9 months. That's what happened to me with my first bottle, and then I decided to start using it on my entire body because it is labeled lotion. And so when I get out of the shower and I'm still a little bit damp after patting myself off, I put on this lotion over my entire body. I have found that if I put it on just dry skin, that it actually is kind of a little sticky. So I like to mix it with a little bit of water. Next, we have the eye serum. The eye serum goes around the eyes. My experience with this is, 1, my bags under my eyes are gone, and 2, my droopy eyelid that was starting to close in over my eye has tightened back up. Now, an interesting thing about this versus retinols do get rid of wrinkles, but they do it through inflaming the skin and irritating it. This is actually tightening the skin. So this is something that's 100%, it's natural for you. Then we have, of course, the anti-aging cream, which was our original product that has Protandim Nerve2 in it. And our last product is we have the hand cream. The hand cream is an excellent cream. I wish I would have had this when my mom was alive, because she loved Jergens lotion. She loved putting hand creams on. This just absorbs straight into the skin, and it also has Nerve2 in it. So please remember the elements of Nerve2. It is anti-inflammatory. It is reducing scar tissue. It removes toxins from the body. It actually brings things back alive. As you know, our skin heals because it's made of cells. And so we just help that with the skincare process. I want you to look at a couple of things on this page. One, notice that we are patented. This is the only skincare on the planet that's patented. And why is it patented? Because it actually does something unexpected in the skin. And all the other products out there are not patented because they stay on the surface of your skin. And I've had the comment from a couple of people, well, my skin doesn't feel moisturized. And it's like, no, what you're feeling is that cream or that moisturizer that you're using is staying on the surface of your skin. It's not being absorbed into your skin. The next thing I want you to notice is the toxin level, because Think Dirty app is a third-party app that has evaluated hundreds of products on their cleanliness. If you get a score of 0 to 3, you have a clean product that's clean for the environment and your body. Notice all of our numbers. We have 0s to 2s. This is exciting. Think of your babies, think of your children, people, your older people. I mean, who doesn't want cleaner products on their skin? I have noticed that this skincare lasts me about 3 to 6 months, depending on the product inside the line, and it is the most value that I've ever found that has actually done something for my skin. Actually, when I got sick, I quit using products because I was afraid of the toxins that were in them. And I have actually started using this. So how do I use this? I use this on burns that I get from the stove or from the oven. If a sunburn happens to happen, I put it on. I did quit using sunscreen because I did know about the LSU study, and because that sunscreen has gluten in it and it has toxins in it. So I really tried to wear long sleeve shirts. I live in Arizona. We have a lot of sun, as you well know. But this, if I do get a burn or just a little bit red, I can put this on. The pain is reduced. If any pain at all, I don't have. And then I haven't peeled since I've ever used it. So pretty exciting stuff. I want to show you one more thing. These are some people's successes on the skin. This is me at the bottom here with my bags under my eyes. This is a woman who had this her entire life and now gone. She's taking Protandim inside and using it on her skin. And this is a man who put the serum just on half of his face. So you can see which side has the less prominent lines on his face. I hope that answers your questions about the skin. I also use it on scar tissue. If I were to twist my ankle or hurt my knee or bruise myself, I put number 4. I use that on it. I had a friend who had a surgery, and so she put it on her scar tissue. So she's taking Protandim Nerve 2 on the inside to reduce the scar tissue, and then this on the outside. So anyway, that's what we have on the True Science. If you have any questions, please leave them below. I'm always glad to share more information. And you have a great day. And remember, there's always a better way.